electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video I will show you how to make a four-way traffic system. The all signal is the red. Okay, first is starting for the first signal is the green. When is the green is the completed, then generate the yellow signal and again the red. Then come to the second signal is green again. It's when the delay is the completed, then going to the yellow signal, and then again is the going to the red, and come to the another time is third signal. This video is sponsored by the Next PCB. You just go to the Google and type nextpcb.com and open the first link. When you open the first link, the Next PCB site is open. See, is the Next PCB is the providing the very good quality of the PCB and is providing the different type of layer PCB. I mean the 2-layer, 4-layer. If you want to the any type of the layer, then is please visit this site and you upload your Gerber file in this site. When you upload your Gerber file, the all data comes in like this, and it show the so many things. I mean, you just change your PCB color, height, holes, and all the things you change the very easily. All details is given in my video description. Please go and check. Okay, let's go and see the component, which component I use in this project. First I use the Arduino Nano board. Second I use the some LEDs, I mean the red, yellow and green, and third I use the zero PCB. This is the LED view, red, yellow and green, and I using the 220 kilo ohms resistor. Let's go and see the circuit diagram. I am making the circuit diagram is the design software. First I arrange all the components one by one. I mean the one Arduino Nano board and 12 LED. If you want to the final circuit diagram, then please visit my website. I already put the website link in my video description. If you want, then please go and check. Okay, I will show the hardware of this project. In this project I using the Arduino Nano board, and Arduino Nano board mount in the zero PCB like this. This is the back side and this is the front side. Okay, and then I making the 4 signal. I mean the 4 signal is the each signal is the 3 LED, red, yellow and green, and I'm using the 220 ohms resistor with connected to the positive terminal. See, all the ground terminal is the jointed to all the ground is the same, and all the positive is connected to the first resistor. Okay, and then given to the digital pin. If you any confusion this circuit diagram, then you go to the my website. All the data is given in my website. Please go and check if you want. This is the total hardware. Okay, I will demo a state of this four-way traffic system. First, I am using the Arduino Nano board, and I am using the four signal. Each signal is the three LED, red, yellow, and the green. I press the just reset button, and then I will show you the demo state of this project. See, the first signal is the red right now. All the signal is the red right now. When is red completed, and then yellow, then first signal is the green. Some delay, then is green is the completed, then blink LED, green LED, then going to the again yellow, and the red is the red generated. Then again come to the second signal. The second signal is the green. Some delay is the blinking LED. I mean, this is the green light you completed. That's why is the blink some 2 and 3 times. Then again going to the red, and come to the third signal. Is the same process. Is the all the signals is doing the same process. When come to the 4, see is the red, yellow, and then green. Come to the green, then green. When the green is completed, then blink 2 and 3 times. Then again going to the first signal. Is the simultaneously process is the generated always. This is the four-way traffic system, and if you like this project, please hit the like button and press the bell icon to get notification first.